Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Herndon-Barstow Elementary School, home of the Lobos, here in Central Unified School District in Fresno, California. My first visit to campus here, just an amazing morning. I got to speak to all the grades. We had K through 6, 2 separate assemblies in their cafeteria. The main focus was on bullying, looking at someone's heart first, but at the epicenter of that message is really talking about loving ourselves before we can show that love to others. And this tying into Red Ribbon Week here at this school and so many schools all across the country. Be kind to your mind, live drug-free. My whole point of view on that is that, if we can show this self-love, right? Because a lot of times those quick fixes to kind of numb some of the pain happens because we don't have that self-love, right? But if we can show this, then we're gonna obviously want to respect our bodies. We're gonna want to respect others, and eventually, start to make this world a better place. So showing that kindness to ourselves first, of course, and then pushing it out, and knowing that our heart as big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, kindness, compassion fully enter into here, then we can turn that into this, right? Peace sign. One finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself. By how we choose to treat that person with hopefully kindness and love. But it's also too, because in just 2 seconds, 1, 2, what we say, what we do, our actions, our words, we can either uplift someone as high as the clouds, or we can cut them so deep that what we say or do stays on their heart in a very negative way forever. And to know that bullying is something that's repeated, it's over and over again on purpose to gain power over someone, I really try to hone in on the things that aren't bullying, right? Just those one-time words or actions, that one breath, that one heartbeat, because even those 2 seconds can leave the same type of effect. Positive or negative, we have that choice. And we always have that choice to either turn hurt people who hurt people, the biggest reason that I see why bullying happens, into healed people who heal people, right? If we can let that love fully enter into here, then we can start to basically show the same kindness that was shown to us to bring that healing in the first place. And to know that we have to look at someone just like you see your best friend for their heart before anything else. That's what I was really trying to kind of hammer home with a lot of the students and staff today, to say, hey, take a quick self-reflection and say, do I need to open my heart a little bit more to, others who are different than me, whether they're born different, they walk, talk, see different, hear different, learn different skin color, eat different food, speak different language, wear different clothes, whatever might potentially separate us. Let's look at that as an opportunity to unify us, right? Talk about trying to include others and just open our heart to anyone, that might not be as good at us at something, right? Or maybe had something happen in their life that did make them different. Just like you'd see your best friend for this first, all of us can choose to do that. So thank you so much for touching my heart. It's another beautiful day. I hope to be back again in the near future. Have a great camp, 6th graders coming up here. I heard about that. And all the other students, have a great rest of the school year. Hope to be back again, like I said, maybe this spring, maybe next year too. But until then, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.